I want to talk about Python requests and HTTPX. If we want to start our Python server, and the port number, let's give it full ones. So now we have a HTTP at localhost 1111. So if you curl it, so here's our example using Python requests library. Let's do the HTTPX example. So I'll put the link in the description for your reference. So first we need to install HTTPX. Let's call it tutorial1 t1.py. I'm gonna import HTTPX and import So here's the example. So it can be adapted for scenarios like refreshing a page for updated message or updated data. So in a web scraping or data fetching context, you might want to periodically refresh or fetch updated information from a server. So fetch data async function is set up to make periodic requests to the specific URL using an infinite loop. After each request, it prints the message or updated data. Then it sleeps for a specific time, in this case 5 seconds, before making the next request. So this could simulate a scenario where you are periodically refreshing data on a web page. So here is our fortuneteller script that runs a server on localhost port 1111. 1111, and then so let's run this. I have to run here with the virtual environment, fortuneteller. Okay, now it's running at the server, the port 1111, and then we can curl http localhost 1111. So the University of California statistics. So let's run this fortuneteller script. So now the server is running at port 1111, and we're gonna run our script. So here it's gonna refresh every 5 seconds, and it will print out the fortuneteller. Okay, I hope you find this helpful, and if you find this helpful, please like, comment, and share, or subscribe. Thanks.